sunny day. Right there you took my breath away. Young and pretty, was it just a dream? The next day you called me up. You told me I'm your little buttercup. You came over and you...
Hello again and welcome back for another update on the T4 California build. We've actually once again made some decent progress since the last time that you guys were with us. As you can see here, if I can get the camera to tilt down like this, most of all the holes that we had in the floor has now been patched. Welded all the patches in, and some of them has already been sealed and primed. So I've got to seal and prime this one, and half of one over here. And we've just welded in the last patch right there. And there's still one pretty bad culprit left, which is the inner wheel arch, I guess it is, over here. But that is actually the last thing that we need to weld on the T4 at all. I've also managed to get, my dad has managed to get the sliding door done, which unfortunately also had some rust, both along the length up here, to weld in a patch there, and at the bottom of the door there's actually an entire section missing right here. So the entire bottom right here is new all the way through. That one was rusted out, and there was a big hole right here which has also been welded and fixed. Yes, but until we get any further, one of the main things on the agenda today is to make some space. It is getting way too crowded in here, so actually being able to focus on doing anything basically. Both of the work tables are completely stocked up, due to the fact that we've got the doors out as well over there. We've got the inner door cards out, got wheels and tires. Yeah, that's actually one thing that's quite a nice update as well. We've done a test fit on the wheels. See right here on the front, got it mounted on a 16-inch steel, and on the back we've mounted one on a 16-inch aluminium wheel, wherever you're from. We're kind of contemplating on which of the two we like the best. If you want to share your opinion, then please comment below if you think it should be the steely or the aluminum wheel. But now it is time to make some more space. I've dug out my Mustang 66 and I will be moving this into storage. Just gonna take the foose wheels off and put the stock, mostly stock wheels on instead. And I'll be taking the foose wheels back to the house in order to store them a bit nicer. But unfortunately, the old wheels are up there, and the stair for the upstairs storage department is right there. But as you can tell, front of the T4 is a bit in the way, so that's gonna suck actually. But let's get to it. Alright, I've got the wheels down from the storage. Decided the easiest way was to just put them in the T4 while the lift was up. Lower it down. And here she is. Not that this is gonna be the main focus of the channel, but my 1966 Mustang looks pretty good right now with the foot wheels on. She definitely won't look very nice in about 15 minutes time. When I've got the old Craigar SS wheels on, those are pretty bad looking. Alright, let's put the wheels on, get to it. Wasn't too sure that she was gonna fire up. It's been quite a few months since the last time, as you can tell by all the batteries. She did need quite some power, but up and running. Time to put her away, gain some more space.